Good morning, YouTube Nation and Earth Tribe. Typically, I do a post-workout morning message. Today, I'm doing a pre-workout morning message for all of you, titled The Early Bird. And I was having these thoughts about this as I head into my morning workout. I'm driving directly into the sun, so it's a little hard to see. But the gist of it is that there's magic in the morning for you early birds. And if you're not an early bird, well, there's certainly opportunity. And there's so many reasons why. One is that you've just spent the night in the unconscious mind, in the subconscious realm, and all those tools and machinery you use in a conscious day, in a conscious mind, have rested, and you've dropped down into the unconscious mind and tapped into the resources that are beyond what's limited in your conscious mind. So it's like dropping down into the cloud, the computer cloud, with everything. And that's a lot what goes on with dreaming and so forth. But you rest and recharge. You are also fasting at that time during the night. You've broken down your nutrients from the last meal you ate, and as you sleep, you're distributing that throughout your body. So there's a ton of benefit to getting up early because it's a new day. The sun has come up. There's a ton of energy. Your body's completely recharged. You're fresh. Your cells are fed. Your body's probably calling for nutrients, which if you get in the habit of eating a good breakfast in the morning, it feels phenomenal. I mean, it is literally like you pulled your car into a gas station on fumes. It's the way it feels, and then you recharge it with this amazing nutrition. So it's a great way to start the day. I tell you, the perfect day for me are the days where I can wake up and have study time before I work out, like on weekends. And I'm able to go into these topics of the things I'm studying for example, my YouTube channel and my fitness training, my nutrition training, and absorb this great information. It just seems to fall into place. You're not distracted by thousands of things that the day has presented because you just woke up. So the perfect day for me is to do that, eat breakfast while I'm doing it. And when that's over, I feel I'm wide awake. I'm filled with essential nutrients. I'm still plugged into the infinite from the night before. I've taken in new information. It's life affirming, it's positive, it builds confidence, and then go work out. On days like this, weekdays, and I know you probably can't see me because the sun, in fact, the traffic, I'm on the Mass Pike, I'm headed directly east, and I'm going about 10 miles an hour because nobody can see anything. But this is hands-free, the phone. I don't have to take my attention off the road to do this. But anyway, back to what I was saying is, I would recommend to anybody who wants to change their life is to start their day. They want to improve or make drastic change, is to do this, is wake up on time and and literally go with it, because think about it, the sun 93 million miles away, it's come up, you can feel the effects of it, the cosmic forces that run everything and that have helped create us, we're perfectly in tune with that. So get your day going, eat a good breakfast. Who's this? Hey Sabrina, how you doing? Haven't seen you for a while. Hope you're well. Hope your kids are well, and your new career that you told me about last time I heard from you. Do these things, guys, for more videos like this on personal development and global transformation. Feel free to check out and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rick Boiardi World Builder. Hit the bell so you can follow these videos as they come in. Peace and love to each and every one of you. Glad to see you. Good morning. Be an early bird. Take care. Bye.